All right, welcome to 2518 baseball bat. 12 out of 100. 12 out of 100 baseball bat. Here we go. Here we go. Big Armani 2, Hootie 10, John 2, Dave 5, Gio 1, Logan 2, Hootie 5, Todd 1, and Nate with 2. Alright, guys, here we go. 5 times. Remember that order. We're mixing on up. And we'll paste in column B next to 30 MLB teams. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. Dun dun dun. Hootie Hoot, you're on top. And Diz, you're on the bottom 5 times for the 5 times. Alright, so Hootie, Diamondbacks, Braves, Oilers, Dave, Red Sox. Nate, Cubs, White Sox, John, Reds, Big Armani, Indians, Hootie, Rockies, John, Tigers, Dave, Astros, Hootie, Royals, Todd, Angels, Gio, Dodgers, Logan, Marlins, Hootie, Brewers, Twins, Mets, Dave, Yankees, Hootie, Athletics, Big Armani, Phillies, Hootie, Pirates, Padres, Giants, Logan, Mariners, Hootie, Cardinals, Dave, Rays, Hootie, Rangers, Blue Jays, and Dave with the Nationals. Alright. Big Armani, Indians, Phillies, Diz, Gio, Hootie, Gio, 1 spot, Dodgers. Alright, fellas. Let's see what's going on in the chat here. Alright, guys. Anybody want to trade their team? Got the Dodgers, Gio. Alright, guys. Let me show the bat here. Let me show the bat. Alright. So, sealed up. No void. Here comes the other side. 12 out of 100. Five. Sealed up. Right. What would you like me to do, Tanner? Dun, 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 dun. It's all sealed up. Like watching Dr. Phil. That's what I'm gonna do, man. Alright, here we go, guys. Here comes the baseball bat. Oh, with a nice bat, too. Alright, see if there's anything left in there. Oh, there's something else. Advertisement. Alright, guys. Trash. And here's the bat. And we have, well, there's the auto. It's kind of, I don't know if it's faded or what happened there, but I can contact Hit Parade and see. They'll probably send me a new one. Beckett Certified Series, Genuine Louisville Slugger bat. Louisville Slugger. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it looks like the marker kind of stopped there. But I can always contact them, and they usually take care of me. All right, Jose Ramirez. Nah, neither have I, Hootie, man. I've never got a pen ever. Must be 1 pen per 1,000 jerseys. All right, Jose Ramirez. For the Cleveland Indians, Jose Ramirez. When is the All-Star? You guys see Cleveland's getting the All-Star game, the NBA, the MLB All-Star, the NBA All-Star, MLB, NBA, and they're getting the draft. Hey, the Big Armani, Cursor don't lie. Look at that. That's weird. Big Armani, Cleveland Indians. There you go, man. Got yourself the bat. Very cool. Jose Ramirez. 5 times. Ram.org. Hootie Hoot. Guaranteed a spot in the bonus break there, man. Here we go. 5 times. Once, twice. 3 times. 4 times. 5 times. Dun, dun, dun. And Hootie Hoot. There you go, man. You got the first or second spot in the baseball bonus break. Alright. 25-1-8 baseball bat. Very cool, very cool, very cool. Okay. Alright guys, any questions, comments, or concerns, please let me know. Please subscribe down below. Never miss a live break, guys. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Appreciate it. Have a good one, guys. Thank you very much.